Hi guys! Welcome to Bestfriend'S Kitchen! If you are new to our channel, please subscribe so you will get updated for our future videos. Today, we're going to show you how to make Panutsa or peanut brittle. So here are the ingredients for this recipe. Tara, simulan na natin! Una, i-toast lang natin yung mani for 5 to 8 minutes. Kapag toasted na yung mani, i-remove nyo lang ito sa apoy at set aside nyo muna. By the way guys, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Ngayon, i-prepare naman natin yung sugar. Magbuhos lang kayo ng 3 cups of sugar sa isang kawali. Pagkatapos, iset nyo lang yung fire sa medium heat at lutuin nyo yung sugar hanggang sa mag-completely melted ito. I-make sure nyo lang na continuous nyo ito hahaluin para hindi masunog yung sugar. Kapag completely melted na yung sugar, i-add nyo lang yung niluto nating peanuts kanina. Haluin nyo lang itong mabuti to make sure na lahat ng mani ay makovered ng sugar. Kapag completely coated na yung mani ng sugar, i-remove nyo lang ito sa apoy. Habang mainit pa yung mixture, i-form nyo lang ito sa maliliit na portions in a flat surface. I-make sure nyo lang na mabilis nyo itong i-form dahil mabilis tumigas yung sugar habang lumalamig. After that, hayaan nyo lang itong lumamig completely. Pwede nyo itong balutin gamit na isang plastic wrap at i-enjoy nyo ito as a dessert. We hope that you enjoyed this video and please give us a thumbs up. You can also comment down below if you want to request recipes that we can feature on our next vlogs. Paki-share na rin ang video ito para everybody happy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, till our next vlog.